here we are in Adobe Bridge, and you want to rename a whole batch of images that you've taken. There's various reasons why you would want to do that. You know, if you want to remind yourself what the photograph is, My Holiday Photographs is always a good thing to call all your photographs to easily find them. Also, if you've got a website, it's always better to actually name your photographs something, because search engines like Google will pick up on names. So if your photograph is called the generic number of your device, whatever that may be, a mobile or a camera, and it's DCM 1004_7, that means nothing to Google. But if you call it the Sea, or a house, or a Beckenham, Cornwall, any sort of place, then Google picks up on it and it knows. So it helps you to drive your search engine optimization for Google. Always better to rename your photographs rather than just leaving them with a generic number anyway, and Adobe Bridge is just ideal for that. So you will already be organized, and you would have already put your photographs to be renamed in a folder on your computer. So in Adobe Bridge you can just simply go and look for them. I've made a demo folder up in my desktop, and here it is, demo folder. So I'm going to open that up, and in here I've got 208 images that I want to rename in a hurry, and obviously typing them all out would be a bit of a pain. Luckily I want to rename them all, so I'm going to select them all, pick the first one and hit Control A for all of them. Come up to the Tools menu, Batch Rename. You've got lots of different options here, whether you want to rename them in the same folder, move them to another folder, copy to another folder. For the purpose of this video, we'll just rename the files and make it simple, because we like simple on here. And your choices here are to have new file names, so you've got text and a type text here, but there are other options. You can have a new extension, sequence number, sequence letter, date and time. Play with all these to your heart's content. We're just going to stick with text. Also, if you wanted to add any more, you can add another line by simply clicking the plus. We don't want to, so minus that. Other options here, let's just stick to renaming these pictures, and they were taken on a job that I did at a station in London, UK, and they were London Bridge. So I'm going to use the text option and call them London Bridge. And then, because I've selected them all already, I just got to hit rename, and magically you've got 280 pictures all renamed in order. London Bridge 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 208, no problem at all. Thanks very much. Cheers.